Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing how to convert Outlook email to a PDF and we will save that PDF in the SharePoint, or you can save anywhere, you can do any automation you want. Okay, so let's I go and showcase you. So let's first I delete this file, that is older one that I tested. So let's we delete. Okay, so file is deleted. Now we will send this email. Okay, in the background our power automate flow will run and we will receive one PDF in the SharePoint. Okay, so let's I go to the SharePoint and let's do the hard refresh. Our flow is triggering, so it will take some moment to reflect here. So friends, if you see, we receive an PDF successfully. So let's we go and try to create this Power Automate flow. So I'm on the make.powerautomate.com. Here we will select the automated trigger. Let's give the name to our Power Automate flow, Outlook email to the PDF automation, and let's select the V3 trigger here. It is newly trigger, that's why we are using this. So we will get some more experience and we will use the new designer as well. So in future old designer will retire and we can familiar with the new designer. So let's I select the credentials. Let's, you can apply the filter here. So for now I just simply using my email address here. Okay, so Ravindra, and just click on the plus icon and we will use your compose operation. Okay, so basically this compose operation we will add all the parameters that we want in our PDF. Okay, like from we need, okay, like to we also needed, also we needed the subject, then the body, then it has attachment or not, okay, it is important or not, then also like some of more parameters you can add according to your needs. Okay, so let's I simply copy this entire thing. Okay, and let's go to the Microsoft Copilot. Okay, so here you can be see I have given a prompt here. Hi, I am creating Microsoft Power Automate flow for converting Outlook email to PDF. Kindly help me to write HTML and CSS. I am giving dynamic parameters to you. Create the good HTML and CSS. For that, I am simply I pasted that copied content here. Okay, and then using the GPT-5 here. Okay, so it will created me this page. Okay, if I click on the dynamic one. Okay, so we have the option here to preview. So if you see, so this preview we will see here. Okay, so in the PDF also, if you go and see our PDF in the preview, so it will look like this. Okay, so if it is not uh, taking one page, so it will automatically go in the second page and further on. So this is, you can go prompt and you can redesign it according to your needs. Subject is in bold. Okay, other things you can be find out. So let's I simply copy this structure. Okay, that we have given by the chat GPT-5, and this flow is available in the description box as well. So from there you can download and simply run this flow. Okay, so I simply copied it. Okay, and just removing this and simply use pasting here. Then let's rename the action here. Okay, HTML and CSS. Then we will use here create file action of OneDrive. So let's use here create file. Let's give the folder path here. So folder path you can give accordingly. So folder path we are giving here Outlook to email to PDF. Okay, I have created this. We are deleting this file here. So if you create anywhere, that doesn't matter. So file name for now I will give the unique file name UTC now. Okay, and I will close this. Just simply click on the add dot html. because our file is HTML, so that's why we are given HTML, and output we will simply use this output. Then we will use one more OneDrive action, convert file. So this action we will use. Okay, it is not in preview now, so you can directly use in the production as well. So we will pass your ID and which format we want. So we want in the PDF, so we'll keep it PDF. And then we will use one more action, create file in the SharePoint. So let's give the site address. So site address is our YouTube. Folder path, let's give the folder path here. Folder path is Outlook to email PDF. Let's give the name from dynamic content file name, and the file content will take it from the converted file. That's it, friends. Our flow is entirely created. Also, we need to delete this file, so that's why purpose we will use a delete action. Delete file. Let's use the unique identifier here. Okay, so identifier we have to go to dynamic content and simply we'll use this ID here. So our file will delete once our all the action is done. So now let's save our flow here and let's run this. So I simply running this flow manually. Let's click on the test. So we need to perform the starting action. So we go and copy the, let's send the email. Okay, for the testing one. Okay, let's use our the name. Okay, Ravindra. Let's add the BCC and let's use here testing email and let's simply click on the send here. Let's wait our flow is running or we receive the email attachment. If you see in the Outlook, so if you see, friends, our flows run successfully. Let's go to YouTube and let's see. It is few seconds ago we have received the PDF as well. Let's see this. So testing one, you can see we received the PDF successfully. It is generated on this type. All information we receive. So if you want this flow, you can get it. That's all, friends. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Have a nice day.